Hey guys, what's going on? It's Troy T here, back with another video. And today I am in Long Island, New York. I'm in Long Island, and I'm going to start doing a little bit of Uber Eats and UberX. So whatever pops up, whatever I like, I'm just going to select it. Don't know how long I'm going to work. Right now it's 6:35 at night on a Saturday. I don't even know what day it is, like the 21st, I think, of February. But anyway, I'm going to work until I'm tired or whatever. I'm a part-time driver, so I'll do, basically what I can when I can. So as a part-time driver, these is going to be some results at the end of this video. So like, share, comment, subscribe, anything you want to do. I thank you for stopping by and watching, and let's get working. I just got my first pickup. I'm going to Holy Cow Burgers. This one was like for $11 and change. Now see, the first orders I got, they're right here and ready to go, right? But they got me because it's 2 orders for $11. I didn't look at that, but the longer you're on the time for the delivery, you're basically getting paid. Because in New York City, I believe, correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section, but I believe you're supposed to get $20 to $25 an hour. So it's all about the amount of time that you're actually on an order. So I'm getting paid during this time, but they'll like reimburse me on a Wednesday. But let's continue. So I just dropped off those 2 orders, and man, they had me waiting. So that took longer than I wanted to. It's 7:22 already. I only did 2 orders, but I got another order for another $11. But we're gonna update you in a minute. So just work with me. I'll be right back. So now I am 6 deliveries in. One of those deliveries was an UberX ride. So I did 5 food orders and 1 UberX. And this is the breakdown as follows. The first one was $11.59. Okay. The second one was $11.17. The third one was $13.13. And the last one I just did was $6.43, but we're still waiting for like the tips and everything to process, if I do indeed have a tip or not. But the first 2 orders were compounded because they were both 2 like food orders in 2 different restaurants, but that were really close by. So but I was 6 stops, and so far under my active time was 2 hours and 23 minutes. So it is 9:32 right now. I feel like I've been out here for 4 hours, but I've only been out here for like 3. Because I think I literally arrived before I even turned the app on. It's about 6:30. So it's about 3 hours. And so far, without counting the last trip's tip, I made about $42.32. So not bad, I guess. You be the judge. You tell me, is it bad? Is it good? What do you think? Leave it in the comment section below, and I'm gonna keep on going. Let's see how far I get from here. It's looking like I might have to do around, like, let's say 12 to 13 deliveries, or just driving folks UberX, just to make around $100. So if I'm going to be making, let's say, $100 to $200 in a day out here in Long Island, it's looking like I'm gonna have to pick up around, let's say, 25 to about 25 rides maybe. It's just depending, I am picking and choosing what rides I take or not, but that's what it seems like right now. But we'll see. On my way to pick up an order right now, that's about another $11 and change delivery. It's pretty busy tonight. It's pretty busy tonight, folks. And I'm trying to get over in the lane. But it's pretty busy tonight. A lot of folks hungry, and it's not raining, so it's nice and clear. I like driving out here at night when there's nobody around like that. Well, I mean, there's no traffic, let's say, and there's a lot of space out here. I mean, because I reside in New York City, and being in New York City, it is never this much space on the road. I can tell you that much. So right now I'm at $70. I hope you can see that. $70.88. And I want to make it $100 night, but that'd be another $30, and that might be another like probably about 5-6 rides. I just got a ride, but it takes 32 minutes for $10, 2 deliveries. I'm like, not enough. I don't like that ride. You see that? Not enough. But yeah, I just got a ride that I actually drove to, but was picked up on by someone else. How many times have that happened to you? Has that happened to you guys? That might have been the second time that's ever happened to me. Well, anyways, back to work. Time to pick up from Shake Shack. This one's going for 12 and change. So I just picked up 2 orders from Shake Shack over here, right? And those 2 orders is going towards where I'm trying to head to go back home. And hopefully this will be closer, much more closer to $100. I'm trying to end the night with $100. It's currently 11:43, and I'm getting tired now. I'm starting to get a little tired. I didn't get that much rest last night, but I still want to come out here and grind for y'all, you know what I mean, and post up a video for y'all to see, and so y'all can see how it is going on in Long Island when it comes to rideshare and Uber. Well, I'm gonna say rideshare in general. You want to say Uber Eats and UberX. So far today, I've still only done 1 UberX. It's still a lot more food related out here, I'm seeing. Of course, you know, I think you have to be more so closer to the train areas in order to pick up rides out here. But yeah, we're gonna make it happen though. I don't mind delivering food or people. That wasn't too bad. Those 2 Shake Shack orders. I'm over here pushing about $80-something right now. I just took a little $5 and change order to because it's only 3 miles. $5, 3 miles. I'll take it. Why not? It won't take too long to do it. We'll see how much I'll have after that order is done. And I'm hoping I don't have to do no more than 2 more orders to reach 100 for the night. Part-time driving, baby. That's the second ride that I got that actually was already picked up. So that's 2 times. I'm wondering why they overlapping so much all of a sudden. I never had it back to back. Shoot, that was the 3rd time I've ever had it. So, but I'm at $82 right now. $82, and I'm trying to hit 100. So I'm trying to hit, was it 18 more dollars, and then I'm retiring for the night. Let's see if I can do it. So this is coming down to the wire right now, and I'm over here waiting for an order. It is 1:22 in the morning. 1:22 in the morning, and I am waiting for a Taco Bell order, and it's not ready yet. So I'm just kind of pulled up, tucked off to the side, waiting for them to be done so I can grab and go. I'm sitting at about $88 right now, and I'm trying to hold on. It's almost going on. It's 1:24 a.m. so it's pushing 2 a.m. right now, and pretty much everything is closed. I don't know if I'm gonna get my goal, but I'm coming real close to it. So I'm finally finished for tonight, and look at the time. It is 2:43 a.m. 2:43 in the morning, and my active time was 6 hours and 39 minutes, and I was online for 7 hours and 42 minutes, and I did 18 trips. That's more than what I thought I was gonna need, but the 18 trips got me $110.66. So I accomplished my goal for at least 100. I went over 10, which is decent, you know. And I spent about $24 and change on gas. Let's say rounded up $25 in gas. So I'm in profit about $85 for the day. So the time that I spent riding was, like I said before, 6 hours and 39 minutes. Now they're gonna make sure that I earn a certain amount per hour because I'm living in, I live in New York City. So because of that, most likely there's gonna be like some payment changes, and I'll probably get more money on Wednesday after they review it and things of that nature. So that's a good thing. That's a blessing right there. As the night grew older, the orders got a little bit more disrespectful. I was seeing $2 orders, $1 and change orders, $3, $4. I saw one for $8, but it took 45 minutes to do. Like I was literally driving like 50, almost 50, like 40 something miles. I was like, what? It just got disrespectful as the night got older. As it got later, it just got more and more disrespectful. But no complaints, because what I got right now, the 110, is more than what I had yesterday. So no complaints. It's all good, right? It's all good. And also, just to throw my 2 cents in, I'd say, guys, if you're doing this just trading time for money, I would suggest you try to do something so you're not trading all just time for money. Have something else building on the side to where it's working for you. That's the reason why I'm building up the platform Revo Ridehare, because you can actually get blessed for helping others make more money when they do rideshare. So, and I have the video. I'll put it up here so you can check it out. And hey guys, this is Troy T. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching. I'm exhausted. I'm going home now, but I will see you in the next video. Bye for now. Hold on. Hold your horses. Hold your horses. I got the totals now. So that Saturday, I made $121.13. Okay. The active time, as you can see, is 6 hours and 39 minutes. And I was actually online for 7 hours and 42 minutes. You see the 18 trips right there. And I actually had 48 points. My net fare was $79.24, but my tips were $41.89. Tips definitely matter and was a difference maker in this situation. But look at this. Today is Wednesday. And like I said, I will get a little adjustment on Wednesday. The adjustment was an extra $11.34. So if you add the two together, that's Saturday and, well, I would say that's Saturday night, and the adjustment for today, which is Wednesday, February 26th, the total amount was $132.47. And that was for 6.5 active hours. Okay, so 6.5. That was me averaging about $20.38 an hour. So that is actually not bad. What do you think? All right, now, this is Troy T. I appreciate you for watching. See you in the next one.